Hello, friends. Let's read together today. I have a special little story that I'm going to get you to help me read. So I want everyone to hocus pocus, everybody focus. Here we are, and let's read this together. Pat has a cat named Mac. Mac likes to hide. Do you see Mac on this page? Point to him for me. Yes, and here's his label, and it says Mac. I have a question for you, and I'd like for you to discuss this question with someone in your house or a stuffed animal friend. So my question is, where might Mac hide? Where might he hide? I guess we're going to find out in the story. I also want you to, while we're reading, remember the letters that we've learned this week. The letter C and the letter P. Yes, C says K and P says P. Also, make sure you have your investigation eyes and you're looking for these words that we know. Do you know this word here? Can. And this word here, you. Very nice. All right. So get your pointer fingers out and point to the title with me. Here's the title of the story, and let's read it together. Mac the Cat. Let's point to the author right here. It says by Christina Wilsden. Illustrated, that's the person who drew the pictures, by John Joven. All right, we're going to get started reading. I am Pat. My cat is Mac. So in this first sentence, I am Pat. Who is I? There's the word I. Who is I? Yes, she says I am Pat. So I is Pat. Can you point to Pat in the picture? Great job. Can you point to Mac in the picture? Who's Mac? Right, the cat. Can you see Mac by the plant? Pat asks her mother. No, Pat. So on this page, where did Pat ask her mother to look? Yes, by the plant. Point to the plant in the picture. Is Mac there? No. Let's go to the next page. Can you see Mac by the picture? No, Pat, her sister said. Where does Pat ask her sister to look? Yes, by the picture. There's the picture. And then down here we have a little picture to help you read the word picture. We've turned the page, and Pat goes to who? Who is this? Yes, her father. Can you see Mac by the pan? No, Pat. So where did Pat ask her father to look for the cat? Yes, by the pan. Pan starts with P, our letter P. Very good. All right, to the next page. We have 3 words on this page. I'm counting. 1, 2, 3. And they have this fancy little mark at the end of each word. That's called an exclamation mark. And that means you have to read the word more excited. So we have t-app, t-app, t-app. Blend those sounds together, and what word do you get? Tap. And this one looks exactly the same, and that one looks the same. So all three words say what? Yes, tap. I even see the words in the picture. Do you see the words in the picture? Point to them for me. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, let's read. Tap, tap, tap. So what does Pat hear? A noise, yes. She hears a tap noise by what? It looks like a bowl. Yeah, let's find out. Let's keep reading and find out what happens next. Before I turn the page, I want you to think in your smart brain. What do you think is going to happen at the end of the story? Were you right? How do you know? Yes, if you look up here in the picture, you can see Mac inside the bowl. How else can we check our prediction, our guess of what we thought was going to happen at the end? We can read the words together. So let's read. I can see Mac. And there's that exclamation mark. Let's read that one more time together. I can see Mac. Yay, she found her cat. Awesome. All right, boys and girls, what was your favorite part of that story? Tell a friend in your house or tell a stuffed animal friend. All right, if we come up here, I have a challenge for you, and it's a speed reading challenge. I'm going to read these words with you, and then we're going to see how fast you can read them by pointing to them with your finger. The first word is am, and we have my, see, the, and the word no. I'm going to read them one more time for you, and then you're going to speed read. Am, my, see, the, no. Now it's your turn. Ready? Go. Great work. Let's read them one more time together. Am, my, see, the, no. These are important words to know when you are reading. So down below, we have a picture hunt. I'm going to ask you a question, and I want you to say the pictures in your head, or you can whisper them, and you need to find which ones answer my question, which pictures answer my question. So we have the letters C and P that we've been working on this week. I want you to point to the pictures that start with C, the K sound. If you pointed to coat, cat, and cup, kiss your brain. Awesome job. My next question. Which pictures start with P, the P sound? Yes, if you pointed to the plant, the picture, and the pan, you are correct. Kiss your brain. One more question before we go. Can you find the main character on this page? Point to her. What's her name? You're right. Here she is. And her name, here's her label. Her name is Pat. And what letter and sound does that start with? P. And P says P. Great work today, guys. I'm proud of you. Keep up the hard work. See you later.